Exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is exciting.
Who's going to say it?
You can say it.
We have just rolled over yesterday to 40,000 subscribers.
Yeah, we never dreamed of it really, but normally we do these. We've done one for 10,000. We've done one of these videos for every 10,000 we get, and we normally do balloons and, you know, confetti and stuff like that. But we just thought there's really no need. Just keep it simple and humble, really, because we are very humble. And we just want to thank everybody for the amazing support we receive on YouTube and Facebook and things, and just all the people watching and enjoying the episodes. And we can't believe we've got 40,000 subscribers now.
I know. I remember when we were celebrating 20k. I remember doing the thumbnail for it, and it was bloody exciting to reach like 20k, and then we're like, oh, another 10k's time, we get 30k, and then I remember celebrating 30k, and now we're at 40k, and then we're only 10k away from halfway to 100. Yeah, I just you know, thank you all so much for subscribing, watching, sticking with us with the channel and enjoying our adventures, and it's a pleasure taking you around the world. And yeah, thank you so much. And we got so many new places to go now, because we reached a milestone in Australia where we're going to go north. We're not going any further south. Brand new territory for you and us.
Yeah. Just thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next episode, I guess.
Awesome.
Bye everybody.
See ya.